Good morning, students. Welcome to summer online classes. How are you all? I think you would be good at your home. So, today you can watch me, you can see my face physically because a lot of students were requesting to me that, sir, you should come live and you should show your face. So, you can watch me today. I'm not going to teach you any topic today, but to converse with all of you, I have come live, and you know that crisis is going on, so you should stay at home and be safe because that condition is so much critical, and the whole world is facing a fatal disease, and a lot of people are being killed by this fatal disease. So we must be careful and cope with this COVID-19, and we must be strong, and must have a very strong will in ourselves. There is no need to be embarrassed, be perplexed so much, but be courageous, and inshallah one day we will win the fight against COVID-19. But there is a need to be united. We should come on a single platform because union is a strength, it has been said. So guys, you know that lot of videos I have uploaded, and I hope that lot of student got lot of benefits from my videos whatever I have uploaded regarding tenses. And you know that so far we have discussed about present tense and past tense, and future tense is continue. And today I will upload you a video regarding future perfect tense. So you must be ready. After some time you will get that video. And you know that 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. means to say that 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. I teach girls students, and 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. I teach boys students. So if you are feeling any type of problem whatever I have taught you, and you are unable to understand, so you can contact me, but continue your study. And lockdown is going on, it doesn't mean that we stay at our home and only take rest and do nothing. You have to do, you have to study as much as you can do, because this is I think the best chance, okay, to study at your home, to revise everything whatever you have forgotten, okay. And you must prepare yourself, because after being off lockdown, okay, after get rid of from the lockdown, when we come out from this capturing, so we feel that time, we feel that, yeah, we have gotten something living at our home. One thing, we have won the fight, and the other hand we have also prepared a lot of things, and we got a lot of knowledge. So this is very necessary for you. So it's my suggestion to all of you that you are staying at your home, but staying at your home you have to study as much as you can do for competition. The people, the students who are preparing, who are pursuing academic course or professional course, whatever you are studying, okay, you are in the class, uh, doesn't matter, but there's one thing that you have to study, because study is very necessary for you. And this is an opportunity, because you don't have anyone, you can't do any work, any outside work. So living at your home, it's a best chance for you to prepare yourself as much as you can do. So guys, it's my suggestion to all of you. and if you agree with me, so you should say in comment, yes, you are saying right. So you know that I am teaching English, and English is an international language. It is spreaded all over the world. That's why there's a requirement to have the knowledge of such type of language, which is international, because you know that on international platform we can prove ourselves, because you know that if we go somewhere and there we don't know the language of that particular area or that particular country, if you have knowledge of English, then you can do your adjustment easily there. So you know that we must learn. I also tell you grammatical uses, and you are learning tense. After tense, I will tell you more than 100 uses to translate into Hindi to English. So you know it's very necessary for you that you must continue, and you should keep in touch with me as much as you can too. So after some time I'm going to upload a video, but don't forget to see and watch that video. And also one request, that you have to subscribe, like, as well as share my channel as much as you can too. थैंक यू वेरी मच। इंशाल्लाह फिर हम हाजिर होंगे आपके सामने कुछ सजेशन लेकर, कुछ बातें लेकर। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। गॉड स्पीड।